Bundling of complementing or similar products into a packaged deal is an excellent way to boost sales and inventory movement. Nothing better if your inventory management system enables bundling of products and hence facilitates bundled orders and shipment tracking. In this video, let's understand how to create a product bundle in your Orderhive offline store. To begin, go to the products page on the left-hand side menu. Click on New Product at the bottom. Select Bundle from the list. In the pop-up window, add the name and SKU of the bundle product, say for example, apparel. These fields are mandatory. Scroll down to add the components of the bundle product. You can search for the product to add as bundle components in the text field, then add the quantity. For example, if you're adding a product shirt to the bundle, then enter the quantity of this product that you want to be included in the bundle. Apart from these details, you can also add threshold value, which is the value of the stock below which you want to see it under low stock, price for retail, last purchase price, wholesale price, discounted price, brand, category, barcode, HSN, weight, etc. Finally, click on Save. Once saved, you will see your bundle product on your inventory page. Also, please note that you cannot manage the quantity of bundle product directly. You can adjust inventory levels of components in order to have a new available stock of the bundle. There you see, bundling products in Orderhive is super fast and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any further queries, click on the chat icon on the right bottom of the screen to chat with our product expert. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.